All right, let's be honest. Have you ever been watching a soccer match just screaming at the TV thinking, I could manage this team so much better? Well, there's a tabletop game called Soccerone that's making a really bold claim that it can finally put all your tactical genius to the test in a true soccer simulation. So let's dive in and see if it actually lives up to all that hype. Wow. Okay, so that is a huge statement, right? The game of the year. They're not just saying this is a fun little game. They're saying this thing captures the real, nail-biting, edgy-your-seat tension of a full 90-minute match. That is a massively ambitious goal. So you gotta ask, how in the world are they even trying to pull that off? So first up, a real soccer simulation. What does that actually mean? What makes this a simulation and not just another board game with a soccer theme slapped on top? Let's get into the nitty-gritty that really sets Soccer One apart. At its absolute core, Soccer One is what you'd call a tactical simulation. And all that really means is that winning isn't about some lucky roll of the dice or how fast your fingers are. Nope. This game is designed from the ground up to reward your strategic vision, your deep, nerdy knowledge of soccer. It's a game for your brain, not for your reflexes. And this is where that commitment to realism really starts to shine. We're not talking about some watered-down, simplified rules here. We're talking about the real deal. You have to set up proper tactical formations. You have to actually worry about the offside rule. There are fouls, penalties, and you can even make game-changing substitutions. Yeah, the actions are driven by cards, but all of it, every single move, happens within the authentic rules of the sport. Okay, next up, you are the manager. And this is so important because all those rules we just talked about, they're just the tools. What really makes this game special is the role you play. In Soccerone, you're not just some player moving pieces around. No, you are the manager. You are the gaffer on the sideline making every single critical decision. I just love this Italian phrase from the creators. Fai il mistere e metti in campo il tuo modulo. It means be the manager and set up your formation. That phrase, fai il mistere, be the manager, that's everything. It's an invitation. It's challenging you to think like a real coach, to see the whole pitch, to read your opponent and to execute a plan. That's the entire experience right there. So, how do you win? Well, it's not by getting lucky, I can tell you that much. Victory in this game is earned. You have to build a strategy, field your players in the right formation, and then, for about 40 intense minutes, you are in a constant battle of wits, trying to read your opponent and adapt your tactics on the fly. It's a true chess match on a soccer pitch. All right, so all of this brings us to a really crucial question. Who is this game actually for? Because, let's be real, with this much focus on deep realism and tactics, it's definitely not for everybody. And that's okay. Soccer One is built for a very specific kind of fan. So if you look at the ideal player, they kind of fall into a few key groups. You've got your true soccer fans, the armchair managers who live and breathe this stuff. Then you've got your serious tabletop strategists, the people who just crave a deep, complex challenge. It's even got an appeal for families and educators, maybe as a tool to teach the game. And of course, there's a big nostalgia factor for anyone who grew up playing classic games like Subito. And this right here, this is what truly sets it apart from almost everything else out there. While so many modern games try to simplify the rules to make them easier to pick up, Soccer One just leans right in. It demands that you know the real rules of soccer to play and have a good time. And you know what? That's not a bug, it's a feature. It's not a barrier, it's the whole point. The game is a celebration of your knowledge.
And that idea, that celebration of deep knowledge, is exactly what puts Soccerone in a league of its own. To really see just how different its whole philosophy is, let's put it side by side with another popular game on the market.
Check this out. The contrast is just night and day. On one hand, Soccer One is a realistic simulation for traditional fans. Its strength is pure tactical depth. Then you've got a game like UNDC 1, which is awesome, but it's way more stylistic, more dynamic, and it's aimed at modern gamers, where, you know what, you don't really need to know anything about soccer to play. They are just two completely different philosophies for two completely different audiences.
So we've pretty much established that this is a game of deep, deep strategy and skill. Your knowledge is everything. But does that mean the player with the better strategy is just guaranteed to win every single time? Is it that clean? I mean, really think about it. In real soccer, the team that's better on paper doesn't always come out on top. That's what makes the sport so incredible. You've got underdog stories, shocking upsets, moments of just pure wild chance. So does a game that's so focused on strategy have any room for that kind of magic?
And here is the absolutely brilliant answer, and it's built right into the game's design. It comes down to that classic soccer saying, the ball is always round. And what that means is, even with your perfect 4-4-2 diamond formation, unpredictability is still part of the game. A shot might take a lucky bounce, a perfect pass might get intercepted. So while strategy is definitely king, Soccer One never ever forgets about the beautiful, chaotic heart of the sport.
So in the end, it all boils down to this: your tactics, your knowledge, and just a little bit of luck. Soccerone puts you in the manager's seat, hands you the clipboard, and asks a very simple question. Can your strategy outsmart your friends? Or are you about to get completely outplayed? The pitch is waiting.